Hi CMH friends, I'm Ramona Williams here at Children's Museum Houston, and that's right, we are now open. I have Flowworks behind me, and to the side of me is Eco Station. Today I have a fun Pom Pom blast off activity that I'm bringing to you. It takes just a few supplies and you are going to love it. Kids can play with it for hours. So here are the supplies that we need. A small cup, plastic, pom-poms, child scissors. Now you can use adult scissors, but guess what? I found that the child scissors cut the cup a lot easier, and a balloon, okay? So first thing we're going to do, I'm gonna set this to the side, is I'm going to cut the top or the bottom of my cup, okay? I'm gonna go all the way around and cut off the top. And let me tell you, these child-safe scissors do a really good job of cutting it off and doing it real quick. Okay, so that's cut. If it's kind of ragged on the edges, all you need to do is just go around it again and clean it up. So next I'm going to take my balloon and cut off just the small tip of it. Okay, just like that. So I have a very small opening. Now I'm going to take the balloon and I'm going to tie a knot on the end, just like this. Now to finish it up, you're going to take the rim of the cup and make sure that's at the top, and you're going to take the balloon and cover the rim. Now you might have to fight with it just a little bit, but it does go on the cup. Okay? And here we have our balloon popper.